Wow, there's still steps on it. I'm trying to do this as smooth as I can, but look at this. I wonder what this structure was. See the steps? Look how big it was. It's a pretty good size. I have to go back and look at that map, maybe. You could tell. Nice, smooth cement work on the outside, or plaster, or whatever that is. And it lasted through all the water. Wow, here's some more buried cement. Look at that. Lasted through all of that time of water. See? Here's another one of those tree stumps. Yeah, I wonder what this was. I'm surprised there's not a thing here saying what it is. Sorry, I'm trying to learn to speak up because I have some subscribers who have a hard time hearing me. So if it's too loud for some of you, please just turn the volume down a little bit. I'm going to try to keep speaking up. It's hard for me to do that. I'm going to practice at doing that so that all my subscribers can enjoy the videos. Because those of us that can hear fine, we can always turn it down. But those that can't hear fine, they can only turn it up so loud. So we're going to try to speak up. I'm sorry, I'm not real good at that, but I will keep practicing and we will get better so that everyone can enjoy these videos and the history of these old, almost forgotten places. Thank goodness that they've preserved this. Look at this line of trees all the way down for quite a ways. See, there is a storyboard over here. Ooh, that's a big pile of dew. Let's see. You can see the foundation way over here. Looks like it was quite a large building. Look at that stone foundation there. Goes all the way back. And then there's Tinkerbell with her little Christmas sweater. Okay. Let's see, what is this? All right. Using picks, shovels, and scrapers, the Mormon settlers built an irrigation system from the muddy river to their fields and orchards. By 1869, the system had been extended upriver to provide the town with a more dependable water source. The ditches and concrete-lined canals wound through the town, bringing water to the community. Located throughout town, cisterns allowed people to draw buckets of water for their daily use. Each held a several months supply of water, which was filtered through charcoal and sand. The smallest member of a family was lowered into the cistern once a year to scrub the walls. Today, the cisterns, some up to 18 feet deep, are covered with iron grates for safety reasons. So that's what that one was a cistern. Let's see here. Children playing in the water while parents work nearby. That's cool. Maintaining the irrigation system to St. Thomas. And this here is the artist's rendering of a typical water regulator overlaid on a concrete head gate structure found at St. Thomas. It says, we dipped our water up with a bucket out of the ditch and put it into big iron barrels. Then we'd put ashes in to soften the water. No matter how really muddy the water was, it was no time till it became quite clear. Huh. That's interesting. And there's a lady getting her water to carry back home. See how muddy her shoes are? Okay, so that's what this is over here. This is another cistern, like the other one. Oh, this one is... it's a little different. Let me see if I can... see? There, we put the night vision on. Hello? Hello? Okay. So, all right, it looks like we're going to be, that was that place right there. There's, you can see the little foundation. And these are the trees that they had along the road. So the road went right by these. Okay, I'm going to turn it off till we get to the next one, and then I'll turn it back on.